Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to export layout to model command and extreme command. Okay, layout 1. Okay, model space, go layout 1. First see export layout to model, right click on layout 1, export layout to model, select, file name, save, one layout 1, save, open, model space, okay, layout 1 space, okay, let's see extreme command. Type extreme, select cutting edge, select, click on side to trim, click here, okay, undo, again type extreme, select cutting edge, click on side to trim, click, okay. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.